Hello, and welcome to our Experts in Industry series. Today, we're joined for a second session with Eugene Roman, Principal at Design AI Limited and previous CTO of Canadian Tire. Today, Eugene's going to be talking to us about the world of AI and machine learning. Many companies have had to downsize through this pandemic. And do you think going forward, they're going to invest in AI to either augment or replace employees that have been downsized or removed from the organization, or will they just go back to the way it was previously and build up their teams accordingly?
So when it comes to COVID, we're going to need a lot more AI than we ever thought. Not because we're putting people out of work, we'll actually create jobs for people. It's because humans working in call centers, humans working in invoice processing centers, in close geo-proximity is going to be a problem for years to come. It allows people to work from home. So think about writing a white paper, how AI allows people to work from home, because the intelligence is available to the knowledge worker through their laptop.
I recently spoke with a CEO who we were talking about this, and it's like, I don't know, I'm not ready. I don't think my technology people can handle this. We already got lots of priorities. And I said, the challenge is you have competitors that are doing this, and they're going to build capability, capacity, and process improvements that you can't compete with. And once they're on that path, they're going to have such a lead. It's going to be extraordinarily difficult for you to catch up. Or even face with them. And so that's a concern that I have for businesses and organizations.
And if you automate your process, don't worry about historical data. Worry about the data your process is giving you today. Ask yourself, how much data does my company produce today? That's a good question. We don't know. Yet they'll tell you, well, we're storing this, we're storing that, and got it. But that's history. And it can help you to some degree. And this is where the ambient intelligence, what's really happening to the moment in your company, in your enterprise, is very important. Because we're now entering in the 2020s a real-time world. And if it's not real-time, it's near real-time. And if it's not near real-time, then it's almost near real-time. I think you get the point. And in a real-time world, as I'm sitting here, I can check my door at home 90 kilometers from here with this device, one click, and know that my home is safe and secure. I can check my intelligent home security system. Simple examples, but they give you peace of mind. The same for your company. Think of how many companies say, I need to check my production floor intelligently. Many have yet to achieve that. So using bots, not robotic process, bots, autonomous pieces of code to overcome your legacy or your technical debt, boy, that's the money ball. Because everybody's got old systems. I don't think there's a company in there. But it's how it links. You have to have an open API, you have to be able to talk to it, but I'll tell you, that is powerful stuff. And when I first talked about that, I was at the World Retail Congress in Madrid just over a year ago, seemed like a lifetime ago. And they said, oh, so it's really easy on new stuff, Eugene. What about all this legacy we have? Retail has lots of legacy. And I said, well, think of creating an intelligent layer to your company of bots that connect legacy systems, move data as need be, but also do the workflows. It creates your workflows for you in ways that humans are doing it today. So I think, AI is just going to keep getting better, and you're going to get your normal adoption curve, the leaders, the mass, and the laggards. And Luddites on AI are going to suffer. Companies that are afraid of it are going to suffer because it is here to stay. And yet too often, too many companies are still groping their way through this, and it's unfortunate.